Hey there, welcome back. Today, I'm going to show you how to rename that default uncategorized category in WordPress. You know, that category WordPress gives you automatically for posts that don't have a category? Well, leaving it as uncategorized isn't very professional. So let's give it a name that actually makes sense for your site. Don't worry, it's super easy and only takes a few minutes. First things first, open your favorite web browser and go to your WordPress site. Once the homepage loads, look at the top right corner. You'll see the login button. Click on that and you'll be prompted to log in. If you see an option to continue using your Google account, go ahead and use it. It's quick and saves you from remembering another password. Just select the right account, and in a few moments, you'll be on your WordPress dashboard. Now that you're logged in, we want to head over to where all your posts live. On the left-hand side of your dashboard, you'll see a menu. Look for posts and click it. This section is more than just a list of your articles. It's where you can manage all your posts and organize them with categories. Inside the post section, there's a link called Categories. Click it and you'll see a list of every category on your site. Scroll through and you'll spot Uncategorized. This is WordPress's default, and honestly, it's not very descriptive. But here's the good news, you can change it to anything you like. Click on Uncategorized and you'll be taken to a page with the categories details. Here, you'll see an edit option. Click it. Now you're in the editing area and you'll notice a field with the category name. Right now, it says Uncategorized, but you can replace it with something more meaningful. For example, if your site is about food, you might rename it Recipes, or if it's a tech blog, maybe Tech Tips. Take a moment to think of a name that reflects your content. Once you've typed in your new category name, double check it for typos. Make sure it looks exactly the way you want it. Then scroll down and hit the update button. That's it. Your default category now has a brand new name, and WordPress automatically applies it across all posts that were previously uncategorized. Here's a little tip. Renaming this category is not just about looking good. It helps your readers understand your content better, and it can even improve your SEO. So taking a few minutes to personalize it is really worth it. And there you have it. In just a few easy steps, you've taken a default part of WordPress and made it truly yours. Keep exploring, keep customizing, and enjoy having a site that reflects your brand and style. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.